two oxen, boys and girls. One is called ox and two are called oxen. Hey, look at them. They're kind of looking at us. Hard-working animals. This is a rare breed. Come and say hi to me. Hi. Yes. Thank you for that. Back to you. Come on up. Say hi to the boys and girls. Huh? Can you say hi? Oh, they're all saying hi, boys and girls. Some of your babies are as loud as you almost, huh? Are you the loud one like your mama? Oh, you're the loud one, huh? No, I think you're louder. My goodness, just like your mama. Got those same lungs. And here's the quiet one like her quiet mama on the other side, huh? You're quiet. Oh, look at that nose. Look at that nose. Look at that nose. Ow! Nibble. Oh, that's a love kiss, boys and girls. Yes. She's on the other side with her mom, who is the quiet one. Go ahead. You can talk now. I'm listening. Talk. I'm listening to you. Oh boy. Boys and girls, here's our young bulls. Baby who has grown up here on the farm, and I think this pig is almost a year old. What a hungry pig looks like, boys and girls. You? I've seen you for a while. How are you? Yes? Yes? What? You saying hi? Huh? You saying hi? You saying hi to me and the boys and girls? Huh? You're getting big. You're gonna be a big mama, huh? We have babies. Yeah. The farmer's taking good care of you because you're gonna be a mama and have babies. What? Mama, you had your babies. Look at that. There they are. Look like they're about a week old. There's a couple over here. Here. Look at that, boys and girls. Goodness, a new mom. A new mommy. Babies are underneath the sun lamp because it's cold outside. You're not? You scared me for a moment. You scared me big time. Yes, you did. How did you get to be so cute, huh? How did you? How did you get to be so cute?
Hi, sweet. Hi, sweet. Yes, you're my favorite cow. You're my favorite cow. Yes, you are. She is, boys and girls. Yes, you're my favorite cow on the farm right now. She's a mooer. Yes, she loves to moo. Come on. Moo. Moo. You like that moo? That's your sound. That's your sound, not mine. That's her sound.
I've never seen one like this white one here with the spots on it.
Isn't that fun?
Oh, that is a beautiful chicken. And what's his name? What's her name?
Stevie Chicks.
Stevie Chicks. Oh my gosh, Stevie Chicks. You're beautiful. Chicken in the world.
They are. Aren't they so cute?
Oh my goodness, look at these two chickens.
These little ladies are actually part of our chicken club, which is what kids come and learn a little bit about chickens. And they can... Hi, pretty girl.
Yeah, hi, pretty girl.
They're like chihuahuas. They kind of like.
Oh my goodness. Look at you two.
Aren't they so cute?
Oh, the smallest chickens in the world. Yes. Oh, that is the cutest. Really small little breed of hen. Goodness, there's all kinds of different types of chickens, huh? silky. She is green. They're gonna have babies. There's the eggs. Babies. This peacock had babies. Look at all the babies. Baby peacocks. With mama. There's mama there.
Look at the two babies. That's the daddy one, that's the mommy. I mean, that's the daddy one, that's the mommy.
But you probably
There's 4 babies. Okay, 1, 2, 4. 1, 2. That's it. No, this is the dad. I know, that's what it said. Dad.
Baby
Mom.
peacocks. He's an India blue peacock. Baby peacock is called a peachick. There's the baby. There's the mom. Top of the house. You guys are getting big, huh? You guys look like your mother. Yes. Is anybody there a male? Are all of you females? And you see them through the bars here, boys and girls? See the father, the mother, and the babies? The babies all look like the mother. That's one of the babies right now coming out. Looks just like mom. Are you going to make your sound for us? Backside. Turn his back to me. So he's going to turn around. Front side.
of my favorite female boar goats at the farm, and you know her.
It's okay. They're coming with your food. They're coming with your food. You see them? Do you see them coming, huh? What is a loud bear?
Boys and girls, she's a lot like her father with a loud voice, huh? But like I said before, boys and girls, this is my favorite goat. I love her.
There's a baby foal. Mommy. They're coming up to me. Hi! You looking for some food, huh? You looking for a carrot? Well, I don't have one. And the cow out the man. All the horses. And here with all these horses. Look at all these horses. over here mooing? Are you mooing? Are you mooing? Oh, thank you. The boys and girls, thank you too. Yes. Yes. Huh?
Our show?
What'd you say? You're a cutie. You want to say something? Huh? You want to move? Oh, somebody else moved for you, huh? Someone else moved for you. Oh, here's somebody with the nose. Oh, everybody's moving. Someone said hello, everybody. Oh, and you're coughing. You're a beautiful cow, too. Yes, you are. You know it, huh? Hi, your owner's brushing you, huh? Yes, you're getting a nice brushing today, huh? Gonna see a lot of people today, aren't you? Yes, you are. And how old is this cow?
He is a year old already. He was born March 28th.
He's a year old, boys and girls. So all of these cows, I have heard that they are around a year old. Yes. Can you say moo for everybody? Can you say moo for the kids? Come on, say moo. Come on.
Come on, go do.
Say moo. Moo. Hi, sweetie. You're so pretty. How old is she?
He was born on December 18th. So
September?
December.
Yeah. Oh, so he's only about 4 months old.
Yeah, he's a baby.
Oh, baby. And this is kind of scary, huh? Coming and go like in a beauty contest,
I've only had
huh?
him for a few weeks.
Oh. Oh, I know. It's kind of scary. Can you say hello to the boys and girls? Okay, we'll see you in the ring. Thank you.
Side by side, guys.
In a competition, these goats have to have their legs straight. Look at the coloring on this one. Our friend here is being judged for first or second place, boys and girls. I'm hoping she won. I hope she won. Oh, did she come in first place? Oh, boys and girls, we met this little goat at the beginning and beautiful horse. He's going to have someone on his back soon. Someone on the back now. Little kid. Yes.
He likes to eat the grass.
Look at this. Yes. Yes. What a beautiful horse, huh, boys and girls?
person does gymnastics and dance on his back.
Coming up close. Hi. Really bumpy, boys and girls. She's really good to stay on that horse. Hi guys, love you. Yes, I love you. I love